One of the most unique Ford vehicles I've ever seen. Today we're going to check out the 2025 Ford Expedition. We have it today in the Tremor trim level. This is going to have a lot of extra stuff that's really awesome. Let's check it out. Exterior color is a agate black metallic, and you're going to notice this gold trim throughout the exterior of the vehicle. That's from the Tremor trim level. The vehicle is raised up a little bit more. You're going to notice Expedition blacked out, Ford logo blacked out, and how about those gold tow hooks in the front of the vehicle. This vehicle actually has perimeter lighting, running boards along the bottom that are just fantastic, and underneath the vehicle it has skid plates that help protect the underbody from damage whenever you're off-roading. This Expedition comes with a 3.5 liter V6 engine that produces 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle also gives you the ability to use your phone as the key. It has off-road shocks, off-road suspension, terrain management system with select drive modes. The Expedition logo actually has a gold lining around it. If you look underneath the vehicle, you'll notice that spare tire underneath there. And let's see what's really cool about this tailgate. If I just press the button there, this has the Ford split gate that actually, the top part comes up, the bottom part, you press another button here, and that's going to come out and let you, have a surface here to work on if you would need to. What you're going to notice in the back here, if I press the 3L button there, it'll be the back seats are going to come down automatically. But one more thing, if I want to put down the seats in front of that, if I press the 2L button here, that's actually going to put down the seat in front of that. So I can get some really long items into the back of this SUV. Another cool feature, you have a 12-volt charger and a 120-volt 3-prong house outlet back here, as well as 2 USB-C fast charging ports. You are all powered and ready to go back here. You have lights in the back here at nighttime if you want to use them, and you can adjust them. They're sort of like that Bronco Sport in the back of it as well. Third row room has enough space for adults back there. You also have 2 USB-C fast charging ports on either side of the seats, so definitely lots of charging options in the third row. Something I'm really appreciating here in the back row, we have heated seats as well as captain's chairs back here, so I love being able to have an armrest back here. And if you look up, there's a large panoramic sunroof that comes all the way back to the back seats, gives me a lot of vertical visibility, makes it feel like I have even more space back here. You also have climate controls and a 120-volt outlet. And checking out those front seats, man, is this a Ford? Look at that steering wheel, it's insane. It actually has a flat top and bottom there, it's more oval shaped there. It has push to start, Expedition logo there in the center of the dashboard. Those perforated black leather seats with the orange stitching continue up front. But here is some of the really awesome stuff. It has a 13.2-inch display up there. And if you look at the instrument cluster, man, that thing is just wide. It looks like you can put a lot of stuff up there, and it's very easy to read and navigate. Check this out. The steering wheel actually has like a built-in sensor to it, so I can actually scroll around what's on the infotainment screen. It's like having a mouse on your steering wheel. Something else that's great, you have a 360 camera on here with that giant backup camera. You have so many different ways that you can actually view the things around you. You have a much wider view there. And you have heated seats here in the front, as well as cooling seats. And if you need more space in here, you can just slide the instrument panel over and you have additional storage underneath here. That's really cool. If you're interested in a new Ford Expedition, come check out our inventory at Smale Ford in Greensburg, or check us out online at smaleford.com. Until then, enjoy the ride.